Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. What we see here is a water main and a sprinkler main. So the way that this is designed, we have our main here. This is our shutoff for our sprinkler system. It comes up into our double check valve, as it says right here, dual check valve. And then we also have a flow switch. So the idea of this system is, if you shut this valve off, you're going to shut off your domestic, which is here. So it comes off, and then this is your main, shut off your domestic, and this is your PRV. But the idea of the system here is that if you shut this off, you're going to shut off your domestic. So you cannot leave your domestic, your potable water running, and have your sprinkler system shut off. This is a built-in safety feature. So wherever you have a place that has a sprinkler system, this sprinkler system will always stay on. But guys, if you have a main and you are not sure what controls what, this is the way that they normally do it. The valve on the bottom will always be for your sprinkler, and then any takeoff. So if you have a T here, that'll be for your domestic, or in this case, the T is here for the domestic. So you can't leave your domestic running and leave your sprinkler system off. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.